Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying prerequisites so the restore works. Sign into the same Google account that held your contacts and make sure Contacts Sync is enabled. This ensures Google can push data to your phone. If you previously exported a VCF file, locate it now. Connect to stable Wi-Fi and keep battery above 20% to avoid interruptions. Once done, open the Contacts app to start the actual restore process and follow prompts for account or VCF import. You now perform the detailed restore. In Contacts, go to Settings and pick Import/Export. Choose Import from VCF or Restore from your Google account. If using Google, select the account and enable Contacts Sync. This pulls names, numbers, and labels back to the device. If using a VCF, navigate to the file location and import. The app merges duplicates when prompted. Make sure to grant storage and account permissions, and watch the app's progress indicator. You finish by validating the result and resolving issues. Scroll or search to confirm contacts, check that phone numbers and labels look correct, and ensure entries are linked to the intended account. If items are missing, force a sync via Settings Accounts Google Sync now. Once done, clear the Contacts app cache or restart the phone to resolve glitches. If sync still fails, re-import the VCF file. This often recovers any contacts the cloud sync missed.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.